Happy Valentine's Day, guys. 2026, we are here, and we are having a little celebration with our best friends. Now, just to let you guys know, Mike was doing his orchids today, and he did an amazing job out there, which I'll show you guys in a second, but we're cooking on our new Weber Summit grill, doing the rotisserie.
I'm cooking on the Weber grill.
Okay, who cut all the potatoes and onions?
I was working all day on my orchids, and then I showered, and now I'm cooking.
Okay, now.
So I'm like the best husband
Okay.
ever.
He is, I love you. Now, Jay over here, he got the asparagus.
Yes, I did.
Right?
Well, Phil did. And he chopped them up and he seasoned them and they're going to be delicious.
Is there anything you want to say for Valentine's 2026? Anybody that may be searching for love in all the wrong places?
Well, if you are, I'm sorry. I found my love. He's right over there searching for the right orchid.
All right, let me show you guys what we're cooking and then we'll go see what Phil's up to. Here we go. All right, so first thing we got is this beautiful asparagus right here. This is gonna go in the oven in about 20 minutes or so. We got some potatoes cut up with some onions on there. It's gonna be amazing. That's one of Mike's specialties. Let's go see what they're doing out here. All right, next thing, we got the new Weber Summit grill right here. Now, this is slowly doing a rotisserie of some amazing dun da 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 dun da da da. Is this prime rib?
No, filet.
Filet. So we're excited to see how this turns out, you guys. Let's go see what our friends are doing over here.
Oh yeah. It'll get into the roots of the bark. Okay.
Huh. So here's Phil and Mike over here. They're checking out Mike's whole little orchid station where he was doing his repotting.
Yeah.
And here's Phil.
Hey guys.
Now Phil, it is Valentine's Day, and he was saying that he got Jay gifts and that he didn't receive any from Jay.
Now the world knows.
But check out these really cool pots. So I drilled a hole in these, which are pretty awesome.
Let me show him them.
And hold on, Mike wants to show you something.
So what happens is that I start out putting them in these wood pots. Now I'm realizing that in Florida, they disintegrate. So that's what I've been doing all day, is taking all the wood pots and putting them into plastic pots.
Love it.
Yeah.
Pearl, what do you think about that?
You guys built this?
Yes, I built this, and I drilled these holes into those pots. So yeah.
Good job.
So we are planning our big trip coming up for AuthenNick Adventures. We were going to go to Vermont, but we had to switch it up a little bit. That still may be something in the future, but right now we are currently thinking about ... Phil? Phil? Tell him.
Guatemala!
No. Puerto Rico. So you guys
We're going to Guatemala.
We are going to Guatemala all together at the end of this month, but we are planning to go to Puerto Rico and hopefully have an amazing AuthenNick Adventures trip. So stay tuned. Bioluminescence, kayaking, the waterfalls, some amazing like resort style cabanas. Very excited to show you guys everything, and make sure you check out our website. It's in my link tree. Go down to my bio and you can go sign up to be part of the adventures. We're just crossing all our I's and all the little details. So happy Valentine's Day to all of you. We love you all.
It's the only place. Oh, nice. There's like, what do you call it, extended stays and stuff like that, but it's like 14 miles inland.
So amazing.
Yeah.
Back to scene one.
Okay, now go ahead and say. You guys are like already influencers. So we got some potatoes here with some onions, nice and crispy. We got some asparagus that Phil and Jay made
We need
and got
someone to take it out.
some bread. Oh, there you go. And my husband over here cooking some beautiful, what is it, medium rare, medium?
Yeah, it's more medium, but it's filet mignon, tender one.
Dun, da, da, da.
Thank you. It really is.
Happy Valentine's 2026.
Way better than Fleming's.
I love it. This is Jay's plate.
Leftovers forever.
Look at that. Doesn't do justice.
And just a great way to end the night. Happy Valentine's Day to you guys. Love you all. Got the doggy on my lap. Got a Heated Rivalry shirt that Mike got me for Valentine's Day. And beautiful night here in Southwest Florida. Just watching some TV outside. It feels great. I love you guys and I'll see you soon. Peace.